Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening your browser on Windows 10 and navigating to YouTube. Sign in so you remove the correct account data. Once signed in, confirm the profile avatar at top right. This ensures you won't clear another person's history. Then click the avatar and select Manage your Google account or YouTube Studio depending on your view. We'll move directly into the history controls. Make sure you keep the browser tab open while we change settings and clear entries step by step. Once on YouTube, click History in the left-hand menu to open the activity view. This area separates search history from watch history. In the Search History tab, you'll see individual queries and a Clear All Search History button. Use Clear All to remove everything at once, or click the three-dot icon next to any entry to delete single searches. Make sure to wait until the page finishes updating so deletions register. If you use multiple browsers or devices, repeat here for each one. After clearing, go to Google Account Activity Controls to pause YouTube search logging if you want no future saves. Toggling pause keeps new queries from being recorded. If cleared items still appear, sign out and back in, and clear the browser cache on Windows 10 to force refresh. Sometimes sync delays cause reappearing entries. Finally, check other devices and the YouTube mobile app because synced accounts can reintroduce history unless you clear or pause there as well.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.